You can see no dip tubes. With a piston. It's with a piston. Like this. A piston, no dip tubes. It's the water I put in it. We just need to press the Airless pump. Press the Airless pump. The piston will push. You can see it's rise. Okay, you can see. Oh, that contains a skincare product, creams, or the liquids will push out from the pump. Okay, this one is the lotion for lotion or the oil. This one is you can see this is the sprayer. We also need to this. You can see produce very fine mist, fine and smooth mist. It provide a vacuum technology, and there is a small hose on the button. You can see one or two small holes